Types of PCR. There are different types of PCR. Some of the most common types of PCR, they are nested PCR. Nested PCR is such a PCR in which there are two pair of primers. First pair of primers amplifies the larger fragment, while the second pair of primers amplify the shorter fragment which is actually within the larger fragment. So such a PCR is called as nested PCR. Next type of the PCR is called as multiplex PCR. In case of multiplex PCR, several amplicons, they are amplified simultaneously within a single reaction. Means there are different primer pairs, they bind to different regions on the DNA or on the genome, and they produce different amplicons. And sometime in case of multiplex PCR, the primers, they are fluorescently labeled. So in such cases, if the amplicons, they are of overlapping size, they can be identified due to the fluorescence. Next type of the PCR is called as touchdown PCR. In case of touchdown PCR, during each cycle, the temperature, the annealing temperature lowers down. Let's say during the first cycle of the PCR, the annealing temperature is 62 degrees centigrade. During the next cycle or during the second cycle, it can be 61. During the third cycle, it can be 60. So touchdown PCR is such a PCR in which we can decrease the annealing temperature of the primers. Next type of the PCR is called as sequence specific PCR, that is to sequence a particular region. Next type is called as reverse transcriptase PCR. Reverse transcriptase PCR is such a PCR in which a first RNA is converted into DNA, and then that DNA, which is called as cDNA, is amplified. This is performed with the help of an enzyme which is called as a reverse transcriptase enzyme. In addition to these types, there is a long list of other variants of the PCR or the types of the PCR. One is long range PCR. Long range PCR is such a PCR in which larger fragments of the DNA are amplified. That can be up to 1 kb, 5 kb, 10 kb. If we amplify large fragments of the DNA, that PCR is called as long range PCR. Usually in this type of PCR, different DNA polymerases are used. That is a mixture of different DNA polymerases. Whole genome amplification is also a type of the PCR in which we can amplify the whole genome. Rapid PCR is a random amplification of polymorphic DNA. Is also a technique to study different qualitative traits. Quantitative real-time PCR is the latest type of the PCR in which we can quantify or we can check the amplification of the DNA when the PCR cycle is going on. So while performing the PCR, we can check the quantity of the DNA. This type of PCR is called as quantitative real-time PCR. So these are some of the common types of the PCR. So there is a long list of PCR types which are also called as variants of the PCR. These are some of the common types of the PCR.